Hi guys, today I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet stitch. It's a very simple, very easy beginner stitch. It works up quick, so it's great for scarves and blankets. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off here. We have number 3 lightweight yarn. This one is by Lion's brand. I have a H 5mm hook. So go ahead and get started and show you guys here. So we have our first stitch on here. What we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, and this little gap here between the stitches, there's going to be a bottom stitch right here, and then there's going to be 2 top ones. What you're going to do is you insert your hook through that gap. So then you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull through that first loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook again. You're going to yarn over to make 4. Then you're going to pull through the first 2 loops. You're going to yarn over, and then you're going to pull through the last 2 loops. It's that easy. So you yarn over, insert your hook through the gap. You're going to pull through the first loop. You're going to yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. It's that easy. It's that simple. Okay, and again, you're going to yarn over, insert your hoop through the gap. You're going to pull through, yarn over, and pull through twice, yarn over, and pull through twice. And there you guys have it. It's that simple. It's that quick and easy. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to hit subscribe. You guys have a great day.